Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. So friends, I will discuss about a topic that the best smart watches in 2024. So let's start our video and go to the mobile screen. The best smartwatches are excellent fitness gadgets. They are built to track your activity levels, record your workouts, and show your health and recovery insights. But they also do much more. The top smartwatches around today contact your smartphone in order to deliver notification to your wrist, as well as gives you quick and easy access to range of apps like meditation apps, timer, weather insights, and so much more. Whatever you need, a workout companion, or simply what want to stylish looking watch with some extra feature, a smartwatch is a greater piece of tech to invest in. The good news is that these days there are a lot of choice, even a sold selection of cheap smartwatches if you are on a budget. We have tested and reviewed many smartwatches, including the most popular of high-end entires like the last Apple Watch model include the Series 9 and Ultra 2, and Samsung smartwatches we wear the battery down test GPS accuracy, examine examine workout metrics, gain market leaders, and report on the general flow and usability of each watch. We have also spent time with Fitbits, offering a Wear OS watches from brands like OnePlus, TicWatch, and Mobileye, to ensuring that there are something for everyone in our best smartwatches guide below. So these are the watches: Apple Watch Ultra 2, Apple Watch smart watches specification, Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, Apple Watch Ultra 2 watch specification, OS Watch OS 10 compatibility, iOS Watch 1.9 OLED processor, Apple S9 on board storage 32 GB, battery 36 hours, charging method wireless, IP rating, water resistant to 100 meter connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, LTE, ultra wideband. Today best deal. Reason to buy: large bright display, action button is very useful. Reason to avoid: battery life, while improved, could still be better. Ultra wideband only works with iPhone 15. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is the ultimate smartwatch with one of the best screen ever we have ever seen on a wearable, which its symptoms retina display OLED, commanding up to 3000 nits for brightness. It's bigger and bulkier than the standard Apple Watch and has a faster S9 processor, enabling that excellent double tap gesture available on the Series 9 below. In all other respects, it is identical on its procedure. It could still offer better battery life, but a powerful and accurate GPS is great for exploring, especially with the smartwatch 10 improved hiking waypoints feature. Plus, it is a working dive computer with an Oceanic Plus app. So the next one is Apple Watch CE2 specification, Watch OS 2, display 1.78 OLED compatibility, iOS processor Apple S8, on board storage 32 GB, battery 18 hours, charging method wireless, IP rating water resistant to 50 meters, connectivity Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, LTE. Reason to buy: light and comfortable, good battery life for price, packs updated feature compared to oldest cheap Apple watches. Reason to avoid: no always on screen or ECG compared to higher priced watch nylon back. The Apple Watch SE 2 is arguably the best Apple Watch for the most people, as it's a lot more affordable than the Apple Watch Series 9, yet has most of the core feature of for those model, and even the same cheapest at the Series 8. The main thing it's leg are an always on display on an ECG, the blood oxygen tracking from the 8. Although the current Apple Watch Series 9 is now being sold without Apple oxygen tracking and the double tap feature from the 9, but the potentially life saving addition like car crash detection. So the next one is Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 specification: OS, Wear OS compatibility, Android display 1.9 inches, 480 multiply 480 pixels, multiply super AMOLED processor, Exynos W930, onboard storage 16 GB, battery duration 1 day, charging method QI, wireless charging, IP tracking, IP68, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS. Reason to buy: powerful fitness feature, durable and lightweight. Reason to avoid: 1 day battery life, optimized for Samsung phone. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is a smart looking watch in every sense of the word. It looks great on your wrist while offering powerful feature. A large Super AMOLED display is sharp and clear, as well as able to handle very bright outdoor scenes. Performance wise, it was fast, although you will reap the most benefits when paired with the Samsung smartphones. There's no iPhone support here either. Besides some things integration, the highlights here is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 update, cheapest, the in Exynos W930, and the ability to monitor your body muscles and fat composition. It is bordering on the ultimate fitness tool with extensive sleep tracking, also helping you get the most from yourself every day. Shame about the 1 day battery life all. So the next one is Google Pixel Watch 2. The specification: OS, Wear OS 4 compatibility, Android 8.0 or higher, display 1.2 OLED, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon W5, onboard storage 32 GB, battery 24 hours, charging method wireless, IP track rating, water resistant to 580 m, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, LTE. Reason to buy: elegant classic watch like looks, brilliant screen, new multi-path HR sensor. Reason to avoid: one small size, it's fit all. Band switch system take practice, no blood oxygen sensing yet. The Google Pixel Watch 2, like its producer, is an uncommonly beautiful smartwatch. It has a natural rather than a manufacturing look, with a glossy face that curves to meet an equality curvaceous body. The construction is close to seamless because of that curve. There are more glass facing you than on the Apple Watch Series 9, which both adds to the elegance and both adds to the elegance, hides a larger each black bezel surrounding the screen. The battery life is slightly improved compared to the original, getting fast charge, while a new multi-path HR sensor improve workout tracking. This is a bright, colorful, and responsive AMOLED display, considerably smaller than the Apple Watch Series 9 rectangular face. But Google does a lot with the reduced screen real estate. We never found ourselves wishing for more respect for the battery life. So the friends, I hope you like a video. Please like and share my video and hit the subscribe button.